तद अस्म सरम हृदय वतिम याग्यमान हरिदेहे न न व्यक्ता यदा विकारो नेत्रो जलम गत्र सहर्ष. Certainly, the heart is a steel framed in which one spites on chanting of Krishna's name does not change when ecstasy takes place. Tears fills eyes and hair stands on the end. कृताहुन्द्र पुलिंद पुलकसो अभीर सुम्ब यवना जदय यन्ये चापदा यद्वस्पृशयो ओ सुध्यति तस्मै परश्वे नमः. किरट हुना आंध्रा पुलिंद पुलकशा अभीरा सुम्ba yavana members of different races even are addicted to the sinful acts can be purified by taking the shelter of the devotees of the Lord, and due to the Lord being the supreme power, and I beg to respect obeisances to the Lord. Srota Sradhya Nityam Grantascha Savsetsasam कालेन कालेन निदिग्रेना भावान विशते हृदय. Person who hears Srimad Bhagavatam regularly and always taking the matter very seriously will have the personality of Supreme manifested in their heart within a small duration. परविशाकरारंदेन स्वप्नं भावा सरोरुहम् अधुनोति समकालं कृष्णा सलिष्य यथा सरात. The sound incarnation of Lord Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, in the form of enters into the heart of self-realized souls and sits on the lotus flower of his loving relationship, and thus cleanses all the types of material association like lust, anger, and hankering. This is like autumn rain with pools of muddy water.